We have a group from the North Brooklyn Boathouse. Woo! From the New York City Water Trail Association. Yeah. We have a group from El Centro, from the northern shore of Staten Island. We have, this group is the alumni of the High School of Math, Science and Engineering. This motley crew, but beloved crew, is the Red Hook Boaters. Right. And we have two teams from Stuyvesant High School, and they are rowers from the Village Community Boathouse. And one group here from the Brooklyn Bridge Park Boathouse. So we got a lot of Brooklyn in the house here. And we got some Staten Island in the house, a little bit of Hoboken, a little bit of Manhattan here, right? So thank you all for coming. Let's officially start. Hello, I'm Ray Fusco with the Metropolitan Waterfront Alliance, and we're here today for City of Water Day. City of Water Day is where we celebrate the 578 miles of shoreline in New York City, the bi-state harbor of New York and New Jersey, and the over 712 members of the maritime community. So today we are hosting our first annual cardboard kayak race, where members of rowing clubs, boat houses, colleges, and engineering firms are coming to test their mettle in boat building and paddling and racing. So the basic rules are that each team gets 10 5-foot by 5-foot square pieces of flat cardboard, 10 rolls of packing tape, 3 rolls of 1-inch gaffer tape, and a box knife. And they're left to their own devices to create the very best seaworthy, fastest boat possible. They will race them in several heats. The winner will be crowned and get a very lovely package of 6 tickets to the Bateau and a cruise. We're also going to give an award for the best decorated vessel. So have a look, enjoy, it'll be fantastic.
Or move it so it's a foot. All right, there we go.
Wait, double check, is it straight for you?
Yeah, it's on the line.
Okay.
All right, here.
Because you'll be in the back, right?
Okay.
I'll be here. Yeah. So let's do 10 feet long and then let's make the point in the front. That'll add some more length to it.
Yo, you gotta be precise, man. Otherwise, it's gonna be like Eric. You're off.
Where?
You're off by like a 1/4 inch, man. Look at it.
Okay, so from here to there, it's going to be a rectangle, just a regular U, right? And then from here to here, it's going to be a triangle. Okay.
I'll tell you a story. I've watched a guy fall from a 6-story building onto a pile of cardboard boxes and be fine. Like, it has internal strength. So we can help it out, but we don't need to think of it as being that flimsy.
You know, I did literature in college and tried to be a writer, and yeah, very late in life realized I really just wanted to build stuff.
I'm glad to see that this Brooklyn team is not mired in discussions over the origins of bow and stern and stopping all of their work.
Is that what's happening elsewhere?
The Brooklyn people on the other side over there, far too cerebral for this discussion. You guys are going to win hands down. I'm so glad you're much more pragmatic.
Impressive.
Great. Love that.
Aren't they going to have to cut some tape? John, somebody take the tape.
It's not a problem. We have a box cutter.
We may want to make these more than 3 wide, but for now, for making the planks, I think we'll.
Yeah, just for the
we can always bung another set of them in there. And in fact, we should remember to, before we put them in the boat, we should remember to take a trace of them so we have the pattern. Right.
Oh yeah, that's a good call.
This is the sided fold, right?
Did the Coast Guard bring you with Monica?
Put that shit down! Put it down! Put it away!
That's a lot of drawing.
Bring that cardboard. Take this together, right? So it's not gonna move around. Where's the box? No. Watch out. Stop.
What?
Right there.
Box cutter? I don't know where it is.
Back a little bit. Lined up.
Does it have one?
I really love that it really looks like the landing thing you just did. Like we're going to just flop this down when we land.
Run off it.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Yes.
But when we sit in it, it'll bring it.
We need
So we have this piece that'll keep it from falling in, but then should we also do the second?
We're all for this. Look what we did over there. Maybe you want to like look like a kindergarten class.
I think that's going to be about right like that.
How are you going to do the bottom?
So,
Wow, it's tiny.
Huh?
Tiny.
So this is only not half.
Oh, got it.
you guys, we just wasted time. Let's do the line kick.
Good.
Let's see where am I gonna sit?
You can even put another one under my knees, just like that exact shape.
Wait, is this where we're gonna be?
Can be.
I could go a little further back.
Why do this once you start taking those together?
Do you have the pen?
I have the pen. That's right.
Oh no, I have the pen.
Very nice.
Hold on. Give me one take.
Hold on, you tucking too much, no?
Wait, put your side down.
Dude, you're crushing it over here. You're tucking too much, no? You're getting too tight.
Open it. What's happening?
You got, yeah, right there. There you go.
The first hour is definitely low. We're not
We're gonna read the one.
That's it, right there. Wait, more. No.
In?
Hold on. Yep, hold on. It's crushing. There you go. Pull this one in. Pull the other one in. Left, put it down. Okay. Now we ready?
John, you should do the packing tape over on the side over here. I think the ribs are going to be important.
Size tape, it's more like long, medium, or short.
I'd say it's probably get the center point over there.
Doesn't mean it's waterproof.
And adding cardboard doesn't waterproof. Adding paper.
What we can do is put all of it on this. Why?
Yeah, try not to pull that away.
Look at this guy. What?
This thing's gonna be awesome.
That's a strong.
But just consolidate the corners and part. Yeah, true. Like just
I think once we have it waterproof, we can see what we have time for.
yeah, I know exactly.
You want to do it now?
I'll just keep it.
You want to do that now?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to hold it and you make it tight, okay? I'm going to do that.
Gabby, yeah.
Good.
You need to move faster than that, Vlad. You need to move faster than that. 3 minutes. Wow, Stevens. 3 minutes. That's impressive. The question is, are your paddlers are equally as impressive? We'll have to see. The engineering looks good. We'll see what the on-water skill looks like. Impressive. How we looking? Everyone's frantically trying to finish. Frantically. 30-second warning. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from the boat. Step away from the boats. Put them down. Step away. Big round of applause for everybody, please. Nicely done. Good job.
Brooklyn Bridge Park Boathouse. EBP. Would you explain your design a little bit to us?
It's like landing craft.
Landing
Where are you now?
So World War II motif.
Brooklyn Bridge Park Boathouse boats.
Interesting.
I'm impressed by the
particular Pacific theater or European theater?
Probably European, I imagine.
Of course, of course.
It's better miniseries.
I like the fact that they're trying to stabilize it somewhat using the block tape.
So we braided the,
they
twisted it and then braided it.
What was it?
Second boat here, New York City Water Trail VCB.
Okay.
VCB.
Explain your boat. Can I have a spokesperson to explain the boat, the design?
This is a traditional Adirondack portable canoe design called a Wee Lassie, but we've stretched it for the big waters of New York Harbor.
A stretched Wee Lassie?
A stretched Wee Lassie. So I guess that'd be like a big ass lassie.
Yeah.
How do you spell big ass? You can spell, right? Okay. Keep going.
Okay, and it's supposed to be portable. It's a backpacking boat.
This is a fantastic, interesting.
It's really great. Yeah.
Is there anything on any markings? Oh.
It's like a boat.
It's got a name. It's got a name. VCB. This is
very cool boat. Very cool boat.
Yeah. Great.
Excellent.
Got it. Very cool boat.
HSMSC.
HSMSC. You got that? All right.
Okay, we're trying to keep it small, compact. We spend a lot of time waterproofing it.
Waterproofing,
We put the bar right here so it won't collapse.
And the whole water taxi. This is the same color as New York City taxis. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. That's the steering wheel?
Yeah, 2 steering wheels.
2 steering wheels to go either way. Both directions? Fantastic. El Centro, from the North Shore of Staten Island.
Exactly.
Everyone knows that. When you explain the design of this boat, perhaps you guys can.
Explícanos el diseño de este
español,
vessel.
No, in English, please.
Canoa.
It's a canoa.
It's a canoe.
It's a canoa.
With a lot of tape.
A lot of tape.
¿Y por qué tenemos esto
Now this thing, this mast.
In the mast? Sí, this is the logo of El Centro del Migrante.
I believe so. Scratch your chin. Scratch your chin. Scratch your chin. Chin scratch. Okay. That's a Judge Ken skin turn. Very nice. Very job. Oh, great job. Bueno.
This is the North Brooklyn Cove Boathouse.
North Brooklyn Road Club. Got it. NBC. Right. Now explain your design here.
This is a Phoenician design. Instead of papyrus bundles, we have used rolled up.
That's from Finland, right? Finnish?
Phoenician.
Oh.
The first people to cross the Atlantic.
All right.
And of course, this is our dragon god that is destroying all the other canoes.
What is the name of that dragon god?
Fire Boy.
Fire Boy. Because you look like Fire Boy to me, actually.
Yeah.
Did you say Fire Boy?
And that's, of course, the holy lightning bolt is sending us on our way.
There's a lightning bolt on this boat. Did you guys notice that? Wait. Scratch chins. Scratch. All right. Good. All right.
This is the overachieving Stevens Institute Technology.
And most of the school lived on the dorm. In the water, in the Hudson.
So this is an homage to your ancestors.
Indeed, exactly.
Nice little homage. Explain this design to us. Which part goes in the water?
You're supposed to put it upside down, and it goes into the water that way.
Did you notice he's got sponsons on the side for added stability?
I think the best sponsons we've seen all day.
You didn't actually see it, Max?
Whoa.
The fins, so...
Oh, it says sponsons too. What's that thing on the bottom?
That's a keel.
A keel.
Pretty much.
You got it. It came out everything.
Well, the bow design is unique because you didn't want to make any openings that were unnecessary, so you folded the cardboard.
Yes.
So it looks like it could be transatlantic design. Rowing across the Atlantic.
This entire body is one piece of cardboard.
That'd be interesting. Yes. Oh, she's from the Coast Guard. She says you could take this boat across the Atlantic. Okay, very good.
That's nice.
Good job. I'll listen to these Coast Guard guys. Hey,
young lady.
Would you explain the design of your boat?
Very shy.
Shy. I understand how you feel. All right, so explain this design, please, gentlemen.
Oh, just based off about the weight, how much. So we should sink about 5.5 inches, 6 inches, with enough freeboard left over. So that was how we did the size. Cardboard was a foot smaller, so we kind of just worked with it, sink a little bit more. This is just for strength, longitudinally, and then this is for transversely to provide a little strength.
So you have longitudinal strength and transverse strength.
Right.
We were hoping to get a couple more, but we ran out of time. And then we waterproofed the box first. And then, so this is all waterproof.
Now, what do you call this mechanical device?
That's a bow light.
These are running lights.
Running lights.
Running lights.
Turn them on for me.
Now, which do you think is the front part of the boat?
That would be the bow.
The bow, all right.
And also,
I don't want to confuse it with technical questions.
This one looks like it could withstand an attack a little
Judges,
bit of
if you've had enough, we need for you guys to deliberate.
All right, I think, referee, El Presidente, El Jefe, we have deliberated, we have observed, we are ready to judge. You start the race.
One of the requests that the safety boats had is if your boat completely sinks and you're going to swim, just grab onto the safety boats and let them just drag you over. We'll salvage it. So yeah, I don't know if we can do that. On your mark, get set, go! My people!
Who's going down?
Start sinking.
Step back, guys. Step back. Step back.
It's sinking!
Get the boat out of the water! Get the boat out of the water!
I mean, if we just hold off for 20 minutes, I'll be done with this race in 2 minutes. Yeah, because I'm going to do this race. It's been a nightmare this whole time.
Look at this.
Yeah! In the water.
On your mark. Get set. Go! People, let's do it. No, it's a collision. No! 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 Oh my God! No! There's still time to recover. The Stuyvesant Big Cove Motors might be doing it.
That's right. Come on. Woo! Let's see some headway.
So much for the ancient traditions. That looks like they're finished. Go around the buoy? Yeah. All right. Quickly. I think we have a winner! Yeah! Sky Cove Boathouse. Quickly get out so you save the boat. Remember, you're going to save the boat for the next heat. Nice job, El Centro. Very nicely done. Sabotage and everything. It worked.
They're going to do better upside down.
Nope. The alumni group of the High School of History, Mathematics, Science, and Engineering. Round of applause, people. This is going to be the speed round. Expect big weights and high speed. All right, on your mark. Get set. Go! Let's hear it, people. Come on now. This is a fast heat. It's neck and neck. It's neck and neck. All right, let's get that bow out of there and see if we can't get this race started. Stevens, put your stern up against the dock. Don't make me disqualify that fast boat. Nancy is now officially underwater. We're going to see. This ought to be funny. All right, no, bring it back. Safety kayaks, are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Go! No, look at that! They're going! Oh my God!
Wait, we're floating. We're still floating.
Get out of here, go!
Gotta go left.
Let's see a round of applause. Come on now. They're cruising into victory. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of the inaugural Cardboard Pack Race, Stevens Institute. Nicely done. Come on in, Stuyvesant Cove. Finish a strong second. You can do it. Come on, folks. They're still out there. Let's hear it. They're still out there. Come on, guys. You can do it. A big, strong second place finish. Come on now. Nice. They're making it. Come on, folks. It's all about heart. They're doing it. Dig it out, people. Dig it out. No, you can make it. Don't die. Come on. No.
Okay, let's wait. You gotta push yourself up. Ready?
Waterlock. You have that paddle on the guy.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Ah.
Ready?